Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you all know who I am, of course. I am Nae, and I'm back with another video to show you guys how I did my top knot. Now, excuse me if I sound a little crazy because yes, I am sick. I'm getting over a cold, so if you hear me sniffing or coughing or something, I apologize, but we're gonna get through this video, okay? So as you see right here, I am putting my hair up into a ponytail. You have to get your ponytail as close to your forehead as possible. You want your ponytail to be on top of your head, like a top knot. You know, you don't want your ponytail to be sitting in the back of your head. You want to make sure it's on top. So now that I got my ponytail how I kind of want it, I'm going to take my Eco Styling Gel and I'm going to basically put that on the perimeter of my edges, my kitchen, my edges, my sideburns, all that good stuff, just so we can get the hair wet and get that gel, you know, wet texture, I guess, if you want to say that. So the goal here, guys, is to basically make sure that the ponytail is slick and there's not any extra hair, no lumps or anything in your hair. The goal is to have a slick, clean look with your bun. You don't really want much, you know, anything else extra going on, basically. And you're going to make sure your ponytail is tight as possible. It may hurt a little bit. And as you can see, it took me a minute to get that through because I did it so tight. So now all we're going to do is just wrap the ponytail around in a bun as tight as possible as well. Your head is going to be pretty tight. Try to do it to your comfort. That wasn't that tight for me, but make sure it's not super tight to the point where when you frown your face up, it hurts. So just keep that in mind. That's a trick that I always do with my ponytails. I always frown my face up and then I put the ponytail on. So now we're going to go ahead and get our braiding hair. This is Model and this is 100% Kanekalon hair, which is braiding hair if you did not know. You can find this at your local beauty supply store. I got the 3-pack, being the fact that I knew I was going to wear this style more than once. But what I'm about to do now is I'm putting the rubber band that was attached with the braiding hair and I put it around my bun to secure it, and then I flipped the hair to the other side just so the hair can wrap around my bun kind of, and it wouldn't be really noticeable. And then I started to wrap the hair or twist the hair like such, and I twist it so tight. You want to twist it so tight to the point where the hair starts knotting up like it's doing. And as it's knotting up, what you want to do is just start wrapping it around your bun and keep doing it how I'm doing it, as I'm twisting it super tight and then I'm wrapping. I'm twisting it super tight and then I'm wrapping it. So just keep that part in mind, and then try to wrap it and stack it like you're stacking it around and not just wrapping it. You're kind of stacking it upward just so it can have that little knot staircase looking effect, I guess, if that's what you want to call it. I like it. Alright, so now that we wrapped it around, we're going to take the little, you know, the rest of the piece of the hair. We're going to wrap it and kind of tuck it under. You don't really need bobby pins for this. I don't suggest them because they hurt. It's pretty secure once you do it really tight. If you do the bun tight and you twist it around tight, you shouldn't really have any issues. Now here I'm taking my toothbrush. Yes, I still use a toothbrush for my baby hairs because that is the perfect method for me. This toothbrush gets me through and it keeps my edges on fleek, so I shall continue. I'm using the Eco Styling Gel, and I'm also using some Gorilla Snot. Is that how you say it? I don't know. But I'm mixing the two products together and I'm putting them on my baby hairs because for some reason with the Eco Styling Gel, it does not keep my baby hairs laid and slayed like I want them to. So I had to add something else with a little bit of force. Now here I'm just using my flat iron to basically flatten out my little flyaways, my little sideburns, whatever you want to call it. That's just gonna smoothen them out. And I'm also going to run the flat iron around my bun on top of my head just to smooth out everything, you know, everything that I got going on. The flat iron is going to smooth it out for me. Okay, so last but not least, we're going to take our beeswax by, I think it's Murray's or Murphy's. One of those. It's beeswax. It's like an edge control. It's more waxy. It's like wax. I'm going to take that, rub my hands together, and I'm just going to rub it on my hair and around my bun. But yeah, guys, that's about it. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you want me to post more videos of me doing my little simple 10-minute, 20-minute hairstyles, I can do more for you guys. Just comment, like, and subscribe. And love you guys, and see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.